some different strategies I can use to add within 100. I can show my understanding of multiple strategies by solving the given equation. So today we're going to review some of our strategies, and then you're going to have a worksheet to complete at the end. So we're going to have some word problems that we need to use some of these strategies. So our first problem looks like this. We're going to use mental math. So you guys need to count your tens and your ones for the first part. Let's count them together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. Great. And then what do we have here? 42 plus 10. So let's count all together using our picture shown. We're going to do our tens first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. Wow. Tens and ones is an easy peasy strategy that we can use. I love it. All right, let's look right here. Use part of the hundreds chart to add. We're going to do one of these together. So friends, let's come down here and let's look at, let's look at this problem. 26 plus 2. Let's find 26. And how many times do we need to hop over? Because we're adding. So our number has to get bigger. 2. 1, 2. And your answer is right there. 28. How wonderful is this hundreds chart? Wow, wow, wow. There's some example problems still left that you guys can do for extra practice if you want. Let's look at our number line and do one of these together. So we're going to look at our problem, 35 plus 50. We need to start at 35, but we're hopping over by tens, guys. It goes up by tens, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. So how many tens are we hopping over? 5. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to get our answer. And I always double check that I have 5 jumps in the air if that's how many times I'm hopping over. Wow, good job, guys. And remember, we have an open number line also, friends. So when you're adding on an open number line, you can fill in your numbers or you can start at the number given. So we're going to start at 26. And we know we have to hop over how many ones? If you said 6, that's right. Because we're not hopping over tens because we don't have any tens in the number 6. So we're going to hop over 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you can fill in your numbers. And here is your answer, friends, 32. So you can go ahead and fill in, whoa buddy, where'd my numbers go? That was easy. Fill in your numbers on your open number line. All right, this one says draw blocks to add, which is what we were just doing earlier, friends, with our tens and our ones. 55 has 5 tens and 5 ones. And 9 has 0 tens and 9 ones. So we need to count our tens and then count our ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Woo! That's a lot, isn't it, friends? 64. So that's drawing your blocks, which is your tens and your ones, to add those numbers. All right, so let's look at this. Use place value blocks to show your work. Can you make a 10? guys. So these look a little tricky, but Miss James just likes to show her work right under each number. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 ones. And then we have to add 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So with our 3 and our 9, can we make a 10? We can, guys, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, whoa, I know it looks a little silly, but we can make a 10 and still have 2 left over. So, yes, you can. And then you can add your 10s and your 1s. 10, 20, 30, 40, and this is a 10 now. So 50, 51, 52. So drawing your picture underneath each number is really helpful. Woo! All right, friends. So we have right here, draw blocks to add. And then do you need to make a 10 circle, yes or no? So we know we've got 3 10s and 6 1s. That's for the first half. Now we have 1 10 and 2 1s. So I want y'all to look right here and see if we can make a 10 out of these. If you said no, that's the right answer, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 does not make a 10. Good job, friends. All right, we're going to do one of these little word problems together. Find each sum, solve any way to choose, draw or explain. So we've got 72. I'm just going to write it a little bigger up here, plus 16. If we were to draw our 10s and our 1s, we would need 7 10s and 2 1s, plus 1 10 and 6 1s. And I'm going to give you guys about 30 seconds to count on your own. What would our answer be? Count all your 10s and then your 1s. If you got 88, that is correct. You had 8 10s altogether and 8 1s altogether. Whoa, guys. You are so smart. So your activity for today, guys, it's all word problems. And this is it. No workbook page today. So you're going to read the word problems and use any strategy you want to solve. But you can't just write the answer, guys. You need to use strategies. So you could use your partial 100 chart, drawing your 10s and your 1s, your 10s frames, any of those.